I'm Patty Hewlett with Sun Blossom Transformations. Today is day 64 of 2020 Vision Come True, and I would like to continue our discussion of essential oils from yesterday. Today, though, I want to focus more on the experimentation that I had of learning which oils would be really helpful to me, and I kept an experiment journal. And yes, I had my box of oils, and I love all the smells that are in here. But I wanted to know which ones really helped me the most. And yes, I had bought several, and there are lots of good ones here. Some I only use once in a while, but others I'm looking for, and I find them, and they're in here. But others, it's just letting my body tell me what I need, because essential oils are good at releasing negative emotions and helping embrace the good emotions that we want and desire. And there are books and cards. This one's Emotional Mindfulness by Aroma Heal. I love that. There are books. You can look it up on internet. Look up the oil, find out what positive and negative things it has, a little bit about how the oil works, and it's wonderful. So, but the experimentation is that I allow my body to tell me what I need. So I've got my box here, have my hands on it, eyes are closed, I'm not worrying about that. Just have that intention of what oils do I need today. And I usually only pick 3, up to 3. And so my eyes are closed. I'm not going to use my dominant hand. I just have my non-dominant hand, and I'm kind of waving it back and forth over it. So I'm not, whether it's near the edge or in the middle, I'm not caring. And I just reach down, and this one happens to be past tense. And this is good at relieving stress. It's a blend. And so that's the first one. And so then again, I'm smelling it. The tension is going away. This is the 3rd time I'm trying to do this video, and I kept running out of room on my phone. So I did have a little frustration in there. So anyway, so then I would write it down, put the date, and write down the name of the oil that I'm using. I would put the negative was the tension that I had, and the getting rid of the things from the past. And so it's giving me peace and calmness. And so sometimes I'm just describing what it is inside me. Sometimes I'm going from the books. Again, 2nd time. This time, again, non-dominant hand. This time it's picking up, grapefruit. And I love grapefruit. Being from Arizona, remember you can do it from the cap too. I can remember cutting up grapefruit and cutting it into sections, and the juice just squirting in your eye and other places. But with my autoimmune disease, I can't use that one as much. So, but what was interesting, and I'm not going to finish all of the experiment, but I would do it for the 3. Again, I would write it down in my journal, the negatives and the positives. And as I went back in my journal this morning, I was looking at grapefruit. And there was which is really good for body image. And there have been times when I've had to work with that. But more recently, it's when I have anxiety, the grapefruit comes up. And it helps me respect myself, take time to nurture myself. Those are kind of the comments that I would write down in my journal. So as you're working with the oils, experiment. See how they affect you. And pretty soon you'll have a lot of things that you've learned about yourself, all in a journal, and you know which oils you want to turn to when you really need to. And just enjoy the smell.